All right, let's do this.
I can't wait to see that footage.
Well, he's never gonna see that footage. He thought he turned the camera on when he actually turned the camera off. We were sick and tired of never knowing if we got the shot or not.
So we created the button that mounts to your handlebar and puts you in control of your footage.
An LED interface shows if you are recording or not.
Just slap it on your favorite pony.
Click here and buy your GnarPro today so we can keep making cool tech for you.